Hello, I am Javier Ramirez Córdoba, a 0128-3705, and this is my final oral exam or my final evidence. My professors are Dr. Beatriz, Dr. Maria, and Dr. Carmen. The index, this is the three questions I'm going to respond in this presentation. First one, propose a modification to your tip process that can increase the recovery or purification of the final products, indicating which parameters could be modified and how. I think I will modify adding another process that is the ultrafiltration. This is because in the lab we made a test using a ultrafiltration system and we can see that have a very good results. Also, this is more effective than the microfiltration because it can remove smart particles like proteins and cellular drivers. And the only problem that we have is that we have a falling the blockage on the ultrafiltration system, so we need to adjust the parameter like the transmembrane and transmembrane pressure to avoid practical buildup on the membrane and ensure a balance between the flux and the efficiency. This process it will have a better result, being able to achieve more accurate separation contaminants, and we have a more higher concentration of the lactic acid oral media. Okay, for second is what are the limitations of the current process used for extracting lactic juice processed by fermentation of stevia spent by lactobacillus, and what improvements can be made to optimize the process for commercial scale production. Okay, we see that we have two very big problems in this protocol. The first one is the anion exchange recovery that was only 25.23%. This is very low, but we think it could happen because the resin that we are using was really old. So take care of the part. We can change the operation pH, or we can buy a new resin that it works like it was like it's supposed to because it's new. And the other problem that we have is that we use um, multiple pieces of equipment for a single operation. For example, we use two centrifugates and two evaporates, and this could complicate the operation and increase the time and the cost. So, uh, then we can do for take care of this problem is expand equipment capacity or absorb more efficient system, such as lower evaporation or modular centrifugage for the high load handling. Also, we can make or particular equipment for this particular process because it looks then it could be more cheaper if we made or or evaporation or system for microfiltration, and this is one of the items. It could be cheaper and in a long time. And for the third third question, we have select one of your team to the operation and explain its function, specifically how it contributes to the archiving or specs or the final products. Okay, I select the rotary evaporation because since first semester I always see this machine and wants to use it. So the rotary evaporation works uh, uh, works with head. Then this machine we put hot water and the mixture is placed on the rotary flask. So using heat and vacuum condition, the it's allowed to the evaporation to happen at lower temperatures. So this could pretend the degradation or the lactic acid. So I was saying the mixture is placed at the rotary and the rotary flask. The heat it's going to evaporate the solvent, and the solvent is going to be condensed in this part, so we can collect the contaminant that we separate and or concentrate of the product that it's the lactic acid. This is this was important because in our process we have the problem of the anion exchange. So with the the concentration was lowest, but with this equip the concentration is take really higher because we take care of everything that we have our media. So if, if we have problems in the process, no matter what happened on the other process, on the rotatory evaporation, we at the final we can make sure that we take care of we measure all the lactic acid that we have. Okay. We take the most important part of our mixture. So uh, this one is I think is one of the most important process or on our procedure or our protocol. And these are the references that I have.